Are you ready to elevate your cooking? Finding the right frying pan for your gas stove is crucial for achieving top-notch culinary results. In this video, we'll explore what makes the perfect gas frying pan. Cooking with gas is unique. Unlike electric stoves, gas burners create intense, direct heat. This means your pan needs to efficiently conduct and disperse that heat for optimal cooking. First, consider material. Multi-clad stainless steel is top-rated because it offers excellent thermal responsiveness. Cast iron is another great option, known for its heat retention and durability. Next, look for features like stay-cool handles and a thick base. A base thicker than 3 mm is ideal to prevent warping and ensure even heat distribution. Flared sidewalls are also beneficial for moisture evaporation during high-heat cooking. Here are our top picks for 2026. 1. All-clad D3 stainless steel fry pan. This is our best overall choice. It provides professional-grade heat distribution. 2. Cuisinart Multiclad Pro. A fantastic mid-range option that balances performance and price. 3. Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet. An unbeatable choice for heat retention and versatility. 4. Tefal Ultimate Nonstick Fry Pan. Great for everyday cooking with a reliable nonstick surface. Choosing the right frying pan can transform your cooking. Remember to match the pan's material with your gas stove's requirements for the best results. Ready to pick the perfect frying pan? Check the links in the description for more details on these great options. Happy cooking!